Selector Position 1-1 Diagnostics begins by observing the system and seeing which components does not function correctly in the component sequence of operations. The call for heat is initiated. The inducer is energized. The pressure switch is closed. The igniter does not glow. The gas valve is energized. The CPU does not receive a flame rectification input. The CPU logic prevents moving forward, therefore, the blower does not energize. Logically, without a source of ignition, the fuel will not ignite. Although the fault code indicates ignition proving failure, the flame sensor is only responding to the condition. The component sequence of operation fails at the igniter, but the CPU allows the electrical sequence of operation to continue until it doesn't receive the flame rectification input. Systematically, approach the diagnostics and follow the diagnostic process. The diagnostic process does not fail. The technician fails to follow the process. Here's a recommended diagnostic process. Always reference the schematic diagram for electrical troubleshooting. Determine where the component sequence of operation failed. Locate component on schematic. Trace component back to the power source. Electrically determine the possibilities. Determine root cause of failure with electrical meter. Begin the diagnostic process with the igniter since it did not glow. Schematically, there are only two possibilities if the inducer is running, since the voltage is at the HSIR. The root cause is either the igniter or the HSIR. Measuring voltage to ground when the CPU closes HSIR confirms the relay on the board is functioning correctly. The only other possibility is a faulty igniter. Measuring infinite resistance confirms a faulty igniter. In the field, other possibilities may exist with the Molex plug or wiring. Go to the lab and unplug the Molex plug in a furnace and apply the recommended diagnostic process. Remember, the process begins with the schematic. Observe the component sequence of operations and confirm voltage output from the PCB to the igniter. Remember, the diagnostic process does not fail. The technician fails to follow the process.